So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this Dustbuster Advanced Pet Plus. So this has a spinning brush on the end that is powered by the battery. This is cordless. It's got a button here. We got two speeds of operation. We got low and high. It is pretty loud, but when we turn it on, this is actually gonna turn. Now I can take this off, press these little tabs. You gotta press these kind of out. Again, this is the brush. There is a motor in there that turns it. Now I've got just like a dustbuster that I can go around and just pick stuff up with. I've got a crevice tool that I can extend out for really far reach. I do have to push this crevice tool back in though, whenever I want to attach this, because there's these little connectors here that have to connect right here. So you're gonna push this on. Now, when it fills up with dirt and debris, there's a button here you're gonna press. You're gonna press that button, everything's gonna come out. Once in a while, I do have to take these filters out. These will get kind of dirty. Take this out and this out. I can rinse this off. Make sure you let it dry though. That's as far as the machine comes apart. When you're done, put this back in first. Again, make sure that's dry if you rinsed it. Then put this purple thing. There's these two little ears that kind of snap on there, and then close it. I do have a charger. I do have to plug this in once in a while and charge it. It will only go one way. The connector faces down towards that way. So plug it in and charge it. I do have a battery status, lets me know the status of the battery. And again, it's very simple. I press it, it stays on. I don't have a trigger I have to pull. Press it again, it goes to high. Press it again, it goes off. So let's see how it does on some really big messes, because it is kind of loud, so I won't be able to talk during that, but I am going to show you that it does a really good job cleaning. I do really like that it can get hair off of couches because that little brush turns. Okay, got a bunch of hair here. This is like cloth material. Let's see how well it does. First, I'll use this with the attachment, and then I'll use it with the crevice tool to get around the crevices. All right, now let's take this off. Now let's do the crevice tool. Okay, let's try it on some carpet now. This thing's very powerful. I only had it on low when I was doing the couch or the chair. Let's put it on high. Again, the brush is on. I love that the vacuum cleaner sits on its own like that now. This thing was actually really powerful. That thing had a lot of power. I put my hand there and it kind of hurt a little bit, but even on thick carpet, it had a lot of power. It's able to grab that hair off of the couch and furniture, get it off there, and it had pretty good suction too. So now the easiest part is you're gonna take this over to the trash can. You're gonna simply hit the button. Everything's gonna come out. Once in a while again, you are gonna have to take these out and clean these. Especially if you got really fine dust, you'll have to rinse these out. Make sure they're nice and dry before you put them back in. Put it back in. Wow, this thing's really nice. It is a little bit on the loud side, but it actually does a really good job cleaning. Okay, so this vacuum cleaner costs $80. That's a pretty good price for this. It is very powerful. Again, thought it did a really good job. Again, it's all about getting the hair off of a pet bed or a couch. Something. This would be great for in a car. You can clean your car out with it. I like the nice long crevice tool. I like this thing is where this shines though, is this brush turns and it has an electric motor on there. So it's not air driven. It actually has some power to grab that hair off of there. It is kind of like rubber. I think that rubber helps grab the hair and get it off of there. One thing, when I first got mine, when I would press this button, the latch wouldn't always open up. I did have to kind of, this right here, I did have to kind of push that up a little bit so that it would have a little bit, when it have a little more throw when you pushed it, because I like it when you push them and it opens. I was having to kind of push it and then kind of pull that down. I don't like doing that. So It's got a proprietary charger. You know, I wish they'd have like a USB-C or something, but you typically can't lose these. Again, a little on the loud side. I love that it sits there. There really is no hanging bracket or anything for it, so you're just going to sit it there. You're going to sit it there and charge it like this, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of room. Again, $80. There's several different dust busters out there. I'll be comparing this one. Love that you just press the button and it stays on. I don't like ones you have to hold the button. Again, this one's a really nice product. I will put a link to this underneath the show description notes. I am an Amazon and a Walmart affiliate. If you click on the links, the price won't cost you anymore, but I do get a commission from the sale. So it is a way of supporting my channel. I bought this with my own money, and it's actually the second one I bought. I bought one and gave it to my son. He has to clean a couch a lot, so he needed something to get pet hair off of there, so I ended up buying another one because it's very, very popular. They sell a ton of these off of Amazon, and I see why now. It's a very good vacuum cleaner. It does a good job because getting pet hair off can be kind of tricky. So again, underneath the video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps out my YouTube channel. I really appreciate everybody's support. Thanks for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.